What is up, you beautiful blokes and handsome Sheilas of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking a little bit about some cheap clone fragrances that I actually think smell incredible. But before we get into that, if you like the content I make here on YouTube, please consider hitting that big red button down below, subscribing to the channel, and also, if you like the video, do give it a thumbs up. But if you have to thumbs it down because you dislike it, that's okay too. So let's talk about some fragrances. Previously, the best cheap fragrance I've ever smelled was Nike Man Blue. This is an almost identical clone to Jean-Paul Gaultier's Ultra Male, which is a $200 Australian fragrance. That has been discontinued, or at least it's on a very limited release schedule, and it becomes very difficult to find it. People must have caught on to that because Nike Man Blue has become very difficult to find here in Australia, and even online it's getting increasingly harder to find. So I no longer recommend this to my friends or any of you beautiful people on YouTube. What I do recommend, however, is Nike Man Indigo. This is a fantastic smelling fragrance. It is a clone of Hugo Boss Bottled, so it's got apple, wood and cinnamon. It smells incredible, and the performance is just as good as Hugo Boss Bottled, if not better. I'll just show you the bottle here. Better still, this is actually $5 cheaper than Nike Man Blue is generally, at $10, and I've seen this in almost every chemist warehouse I've been in. So just keep your eyes open for this one. It smells fantastic, atomizer is solid. The Nike Man fragrances are so slept on. People look at that cheap $10 price tag and they instantly dismiss it, but if you actually give them a chance, they smell fantastic. Another cheap fragrance that I recommend is Adidas Champions, the Eau de Toilette, or Champions Intense, the Eau de Parfum. They smell pretty close to one another. Champions Intense just has more of a lipstick, iris/violet quality to it, whereas Champions, the Eau de Toilette, smells almost identical to Paco Rabanne's Invictus. Similar performance, similar profile, it smells incredible. It's probably a touch fresher and less dense than Invictus, and in my opinion that's actually for the best, because I think Invictus is slightly overrated. Similar to Invictus Aqua, I think Invictus Aqua is a little overrated as well. Champions the EDT though smells incredible, and you're only paying about $12 for it. The Champions Intense costs about $15 Australian, but for under $15 Australian, any of those fragrances that I've mentioned are an incredible buy. If you can find Nike Man Blue, definitely pick this one up because the performance is incredible. It lasts over 24 hours. It is a truly exceptional fragrance, but if you cannot get your hands on this, then either of these two scents are worth picking up as well. If you've ever worn any of these before, let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.